Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2019 Biology Past Question 43. Which of the following describes the place an organism live? A. Biome, B. Community, C. Ecology, D. Habitat, and E. Niche. So let's briefly describe these options to get our answer. Now, biome are large natural terrestrial ecosystem. They are large natural terrestrial ecosystem. Natural terrestrial ecosystem. Then community. Community is made up of all populations, all the populations of living organisms that exist together in a habitat. That exist together in a habitat. Ecology. Ecology is a study of the relationship between organisms and their environment. Then option D says habitat. Now habitat is simply described as a place where an organism lives. That's an habitat. Then a niche or ecological niche is a particular or the particular position occupied by an organism and its function in a habitat. So the question says, which of the following describes the place an organism lives? Now the place an organism lives is simply refers towards a habitat, like we have established, and that is option D. I say habitat is a place where an organism lives, or a place where an organism can be found. So the answer to this question is option D, habitats. Thank you, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and for more past questions.